Hey there, future millionaires. Today we're diving into something a little different. Instead of telling you what to do to get rich, I'm going to share the 7 deadly money mistakes that might be keeping you from building real wealth. Stay until the end because number 7 is probably something you're doing right now. Number 1, the I'll start later. Let me be brutally honest here. Waiting to invest is like watching money burn. Every day you put off investing is a day of compound interest lost forever. I learned this the hard way, waiting until my 30s to start investing. Don't be like past me. 2, the status symbol trap. You know that new car smell? It's actually the smell of depreciation. Here's the truth. Most millionaires don't drive fancy cars or wear designer clothes. They're too busy making their money work for them. Remember, rich people stay rich by living like they're broke. Number 3, the credit card carousel. Credit card debt is like quicksand for your finances. The average American has $6,000 in credit card debt, paying hundreds in interest every month. That's money that could be growing in investments instead of lining the bank's pockets. Number 4, the get rich quick. If it sounds too good to be true, you know the rest. Whether it's crypto scams or pyramid schemes, chasing fast money usually leads to losing money fast. Real wealth is built slowly, one smart decision at a time. Number 5, the keep up with the Joneses game. Social media has turned comparison into an Olympic sport. But here's what they don't show you. The Joneses are probably broke. Studies show that 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. Stop competing with broke people. Number 6, the income-only focus. Your salary isn't your wealth. I've met broke doctors and wealthy plumbers. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how hard your money works for you. Focus on building assets, not just income. Number 7, the financial education gap. This might sting, but spending hours on TikTok while ignoring financial education is choosing to stay poor. The average millionaire reads one nonfiction book per month. When's the last time you read about investing or business? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense money advice. Remember, building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. See you in the next video.